Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Essentials pickleball paddles are designed to provide a high-quality and affordable option for both beginners and intermediate players. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface and a honeycomb polypropylene core, offering a balance of durability, control, and power during play. The fiberglass surface provides a responsive touch and enhances ball control, making it easier for players to execute precise shots. The honeycomb polypropylene core contributes to the paddle's overall stability, offering excellent shock absorption and a solid feel on impact. This combination of materials helps reduce vibrations, allowing for more comfort during extended playing sessions. The paddles are lightweight and well-balanced, ensuring that players can maneuver them easily for quick reactions and fast volleys. The ergonomic grip design is comfortable, providing a secure hold without causing hand fatigue, even during longer games. Whether you're playing singles or doubles, the Joola Essentials paddles are designed for versatility and consistent performance across different types of shots, from powerful smashes to delicate dinks. The paddle's construction also provides a generous sweet spot, making it more forgiving and easier to hit with precision. These paddles come in an attractive design and are available in various colors, appealing to both functionality and style. They are a great choice for those looking to upgrade their equipment without breaking the bank, providing solid performance at a reasonable price. In summary, the Joola Essentials pickleball paddles offer a durable, comfortable, and high-performing option for players seeking an affordable yet effective paddle. With their reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and ergonomic design, these paddles are perfect for recreational and competitive play alike. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The pickleball paddles set with USAPA approval is an excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate players looking to elevate their game. This set includes high-quality fiberglass surface pickleball paddles, designed for superior performance and durability during intense matches. The fiberglass surface enhances control and provides a smooth, responsive feel on every shot, allowing players to execute both power and precision with ease. The paddles feature a lightweight design, making them easy to maneuver for quick volleys and fast reactions. The ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, minimizing hand fatigue even during extended play sessions. The honeycomb core provides added strength and stability while absorbing vibrations, offering a solid feel and greater ball control. The set is USAPA approved, meaning the paddles meet the official standards for tournament play, making it a great choice for those looking to compete at a higher level. The set includes 2 paddles, making it perfect for doubles play or for those who want an extra paddle for backup. It's suitable for players of all skill levels, from casual recreational play to more competitive games. The paddles come in a variety of colors, offering a stylish and vibrant look while maintaining the performance qualities expected from top-tier pickleball equipment. The set is ideal for both men and women, ensuring that players of all ages can enjoy the game with a reliable and comfortable paddle. In summary, the pickleball paddles set with USAPA approval offers a durable and high-performance solution for players seeking quality paddles. With a fiberglass surface, ergonomic grip, and honeycomb core, this set is perfect for those looking to play at a competitive level or simply enjoy a fun, active game. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a complete set designed for pickleball enthusiasts looking for quality equipment at an affordable price. The bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and 1 bag, offering everything needed to start playing or upgrade your existing gear. The paddles in this bundle are equipped with a G4 graphite face, which enhances durability and provides excellent ball control. The polymer RevCore technology inside the paddles ensures optimal power, while offering a comfortable feel and reducing vibrations, making it easier to play for extended periods. This combination of features creates a responsive and balanced paddle, ideal for both beginners and intermediate players. The paddle's lightweight construction makes them easy to handle, allowing for quick reactions during fast-paced games. Whether playing doubles or singles, these paddles are designed to deliver both power and precision, catering to various playstyles. The ergonomic grips are comfortable and non-slip, providing a secure hold without causing hand fatigue. The bundle also includes 3 durable pickleball balls, designed to provide consistent bounce and flight, ensuring a high-quality playing experience. The included carry bag is practical for easy storage and transport, making it simple to take your equipment to the court. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a well-rounded solution for those looking to enjoy the game without the need to purchase each item separately. With graphite paddles, polymer core technology, and convenient accessories, this bundle provides excellent value, whether you're playing for fun or seeking to improve your performance on the court. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a high-performance pickleball paddle designed to meet the needs of competitive players. This paddle features a graphite and carbon fiber face, providing a solid, responsive feel with enhanced ball control. The combination of materials offers the perfect balance of power and precision, allowing players to execute a wide range of shots, from powerful smashes to delicate dinks. The carbon fiber construction increases the paddle's durability and strength, ensuring it performs well over time, while the graphite face contributes to a lightweight design that allows for quick maneuverability and rapid reactions during fast-paced rallies. This paddle is engineered to offer optimal control, helping players achieve greater accuracy on every shot. One standout feature is the cushion comfort grip, designed to reduce hand fatigue and provide a comfortable, non-slip hold throughout extended playing sessions. The grip is specially designed to enhance comfort and minimize vibrations, ensuring a secure and relaxed feel in the hand, even during intense play. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is designed with a wide body for a larger sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits and helping players maintain consistent performance. Whether you're a seasoned competitor or an intermediate player looking to improve, this paddle provides the tools you need to elevate your game. Overall, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a highly reliable, well-balanced pickleball paddle, combining a graphite and carbon fiber face, cushion grip, and wide body design to deliver excellent power, control, and comfort. It's perfect for players who demand both performance and comfort in their pickleball equipment. Number 5. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are designed to offer superior performance, especially for players looking for enhanced spin, control, and consistency on the court. Available in 2 models, Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles feature a carbon fiber face and a RevCore Power polymer core, making them ideal for players who want to elevate their game with advanced features. The carbon fiber face delivers exceptional durability and an improved surface for increased spin, providing players with more control over their shots. This is especially beneficial for those who rely on topspin or underspin to gain an advantage in rallies. The RevCore Power polymer core ensures that the paddle remains lightweight and responsive while also offering a solid feel during ball contact. This core construction enhances power, providing a perfect balance between force and finesse for a wide range of playing styles. The SLK Halo Pro is geared towards players who prioritize power and spin, while the Halo Control is designed for those who value precision and control in their gameplay. Both paddles are optimized for ultimate consistency, ensuring that each shot feels steady and reliable. The wide sweet spot makes these paddles forgiving, which is especially helpful for players who are still refining their skills. With a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles are designed for prolonged play without sacrificing comfort. The sleek, modern design adds a stylish touch to the paddles, making them as visually appealing as they are high-performing. In summary, The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are perfect for players seeking advanced technology, spin capabilities, and consistent performance. With their carbon fiber face, RevCore Power polymer core, and customizable options for power or control, these paddles provide everything needed for both recreational and competitive play.